Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna show you how to get glowing skin overnight, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I use. So I do have makeup on, obviously creating a glow right now, but I'm not using a filter, just a light, and this is why. So the night before, you want to exfoliate. So wash your face with whichever cleanser you use. And then this is the polish I use. I grabbed one out of our cabinet so I could show you. So it's Zeo Skin Health by Dr. Abaji. Abaji has a different skincare line. This is his newer line that's a little more gentle. And I really like a lot of products out of this line. All right, so scrub with this. I do this in the shower because these little beads make a massive mess and they end up in your hair and everywhere. So that's a shower product, all right? Then get out of the shower, dry off, use a pea-sized amount of Exfoliation Accelerator. You can also use this on the back of your arms for a little KP. So that's keratosis pilaris that people deal with right through here. Again, exfoliate and then use this. You can use the same products in that spot if you deal with that. Little side note. All right, pea-sized amount on your face, and then I don't put anything over top. You certainly can moisturize over top if you tend to be a little more dry, but I just go to bed with this on my skin. In the morning, rinse it off before you hit the gym, before you're outside. This is gonna make you a little bit sensitive to the sun. You follow the same rules with glycolic and lactic acids as you would a retinol or a retinoid. And that is that you would be really careful in the sun, you'd wear your sunscreen, and particularly with this, you're gonna wash it off before you do anything else because you don't wanna activate it. I went in the sauna with this on my face and I couldn't figure out why my eyes were burning. And what was happening was I was sweating so profusely that it was seeping into my eyes. Don't do that to yourself, okay? So rinse it off. After you do that, you want to moisturize, specifically with a hyaluronic acid. So you're going to exfoliate all that dead skin away, and then you have this fresh, clear, clean skin coming through, right? But in order for it to continue to look supple, you have to kind of protect it. And by using hyaluronic acid, it's like giving your skin a drink of water. It just creates that supple, hydrated look without adding too much hydration and clogging the pores. Now, if you are dry, you can hydrate over top. This is the hyaluronic acid I use that I like. You might have one you love. Tell me in the comments. I want to know about it. I want to try it. I like this one because it tends to give you a nice healthy glow. I can use it around my eyes, and I do have sensitive eyes. I believe that's off label, but I use it around my eyes. And it's Trio, Rebalancing Moisture Treatment. This is by Skin Better Science. They have one other product I'm pretty in love with. So actually, sometimes the night before, I use Alpha Ret in place of this, and you can find that as well. And that's a 0.03 on the, not the intensive, it's a 0.03 retinol mixed with glycolic acid, and it is a perfect like combo of the two ingredients. They've just really, the reason I like these products and then Alpha Ret is they nailed the ingredients, like the perfect amount of everything. It's like a recipe, just the flavor, it's perfect. And the thing of it is, you might find these same ingredients in other products, but if the percentage is slightly varied, then you get a different product. And you find that that is what we live in, a sea of products that are ever so slightly altered. So when you find products that are exceptional, run with them, hold on to them, and if you make a change, make sure it's a lateral change. I hope this information was valuable. If it was, click like and share it with a friend, and I'll catch you next week.